In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off promotions and social tabs in Gmail. This is a great way to streamline your inbox and ensure that the most important messages are what's front and center. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you've signed in and you're viewing your inbox, you'll notice various tabs along the top: Primary, Social, and Promotions. These are meant to help organize your emails, but sometimes they can become a bit cluttered and overwhelming. The next step is to go to the gear icon or cogwheel located in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. This is your settings menu. When you click on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with a few options. You'll want to select the one that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with different tabs and options for customizing your Gmail experience. Once you're on the settings page, navigate to the Inbox tab. This is where the magic happens. Under the Inbox tab, you will see a section titled Categories. The categories are essentially the same as the tabs we mentioned earlier. Here, you can manage which tabs appear in your inbox. To turn off the Promotions and Social tabs, simply uncheck the boxes next to Social and Promotions. By doing so, you're telling Gmail you no longer want those categories to appear as separate tabs on your inbox screen. After you've made these changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This is crucial because without saving, the changes you made won't be applied, and you'll still see the tabs up at the top. Now, back at your inbox, you'll immediately notice those extra tabs are gone. All your emails are now being funneled into the primary inbox. This is a handy way to simplify your email experience if you find that switching between tabs was becoming a bit too much. Remember, this setup isn't set in stone. If you find that you miss having your social and promotions emails organized into their own tabs, you can always go back into settings and check those boxes again to bring the tabs back. That's it. You've successfully decluttered your Gmail and set yourself up for a more streamlined email experience. Thank you for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Happy emailing!